Hello everyone. Today I am going to share about topic self-help books for personal growth. 1. Breath the New Science of a Lost Art by James Nestor. This book explores the importance of proper breathing and its impact on health, regardless of diet or exercise. 2. The Bright Side by Sumit Paul Chaudhary. Advocates for irrational optimism, blending history and humor to build resilience. 3. Why We Sleep by Matthew Walker. Emphasizes the critical role of sleep for health and well-being. 4. The Mountain Is You by Brianna Wiest. Focuses on overcoming self-sabotage through emotional intelligence and personal healing. 5. The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Promotes a purposeful morning routine to boost productivity and creativity. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye-bye.